Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are having a great day. My name is João Zorro, and in this video I will show you how to build a custom YouTube thumbnail using three tools. Okay, Canva.com, and then this remove image background, and then GIMP. Okay, so you can do a thumbnail, create a thumbnail using just canva.com, and this is a free tool. So there's also a paid subscription. The one that I'm using is a paid subscription. It will let you create folders in order to organize your designs, and also it will let you download PNG files with transfer backgrounds. But with thumbnails, with YouTube thumbnails, you don't need the transfer background, so you can use the free tool. Okay, and this is very simple because all you have to do is you come here and you type YouTube. Okay, and you see here the option YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and Canva will load a blank canvas, right, with the right dimensions. So you see here that the file has 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. Okay, so then you can do you have several options. You can load a template. Okay, for instance, if your channel is about music, you can come here and you see here music YouTube thumbnail. You can click all, and then you can just choose any template and then make some modifications. For instance, here I've chosen this one, and then I can just modify and alter the name. Okay, so this is one option. The other option is you start from scratch, and what you do is you come here, for instance, text, and you just click add a heading, and you just enter your text. Okay, how to build, sorry about this, build a custom YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so then you have here the option to choose the font. So let's choose this one. Let me see the one that I'm using. It's this one. Okay, you can increase or decrease the font size. So let's increase this. It's too much. So okay, the font color. Okay, and then you have other options: spacing, bullets, and down here on the right you can copy elements. So if I want to copy this element, I just click copy. You see that the text element is duplicated. Or you can choose the position. When you have several elements, you can put an element in front of the other. Okay, so you send the element backwards or forwards, or you have here also the options to align to page. Okay, and this one here is transparency. So if you notice that if I decrease this, the color black will become transparent. Okay, and if I reduce this to 0, it will disappear. Okay, so then here in the background, for instance, you have also a lot of images that you can use. For instance, if I click here, this is the other template that I have used before. You can choose any of these backgrounds. For instance, let's use gradient, and let's use this one, for instance. Okay, we can change the color. Let's use white. Okay, you can use you have the default colors here, but you can also always click on the plus sign, and then you can use any color, or if you have the exact color code, you can put it here. Okay, so white, and then you have here the option to upload some images. Okay, for instance, I have already uploaded some of my images because I want to brand myself, so I can do something like this. And because this is YouTube, I have also uploaded the YouTube logo, so you can do something like this, for instance. Okay, and then I also like to duplicate this, so you can copy and you just put this on top of the other. You change the color to black, and then you just, with your keyboard, you just move the text slightly to the bottom and to the right, and then you send it backwards. So by doing this, you give the text seems to be highlighted, right? So it stands out. Okay, so now I'm just going to use another image. So I'm showing exactly what I do, and to do this I need to use a different tool. I use this tool here, very cool tool, remove background, or remove.bg. So it's remove background, remove image background, and it's free, but I'm using the paid version because you can do it for free. Let me see here, look and feel. So I want to use this photo here, and what it does is, you see here that it removed the background. So I still need to do some editing here, because I need to remove this part here. Okay, it's free for low quality images. For higher quality images, I will need to have the paid version. Okay, so I have the paid version, so I will pay 90 cents for this, I think. Okay, but it's up to you. Okay, so I click here, and then I click download. So you see here the preview, you can download it for free, but it's a very small image, so it's low quality. But this one is the full image. You can edit after downloading. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click edit, and then I'm going down, and let me see if I can do this here without erasing my hand. So I think it's done. You see here the software has removed this area here, so I have to click restore, and I come back here and I just restore this part here. So now it's done. So save. Now it's good. And then I just want to, because it looks much better, just adding this white contour around my photo, my image. And I use GIMP. So GIMP is a free software. So this is like Photoshop, but it's completely free. So you can use this. You can also remove the background for free with GIMP, but it will take you more time and it's a bit harder to do it, but you can do it. Okay, there are other videos online on YouTube that you can see how to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to use GIMP to open the image that has no background. Okay, so open, and then I'll choose the image, and then I'll be using this the selection tool here, and what it does is it selects all these transparent background. Okay, and then I click the mouse right button, and then the select I click invert, and now I have here my image selected. And then I just go to select again, and I select path down here. Okay, and what it does is it creates a path. Okay, and then what I need to do under the layers is create a new layer. It will be a transparent layer. Okay, so okay, then I choose this layer. I'm going to click here on the eye icon to hide this. Okay, so now what I need to do is selecting this layer, and then go to select, and then enlarge. Okay, and I'm going to enlarge this by 16 pixels. Okay, I click OK, and then I go again to select. Sorry, not select. I select here the filling tool. Okay, and I'm choosing the white color. So I click here, and then I'm going to unhide my image, and I'm going to put this layer on top of the other. And now you see that I have here a white contour. Okay, and then all I have to do is export this image. Okay, let me just give it a different name. Okay, so it's done. Now I go back to Canva. Oh, sorry, I'm here. And then what I do is I upload an image, and I'm going to upload the image that I have created, this one. Okay, the image is now uploading, and I click here, and then let me just enlarge this. So maybe a bit smaller. Okay, so something like this. And I can use, sometimes I use this type of badges. Okay, I can use this here, for instance here on the bottom right, and I can decrease the size of the YouTube logo. And this, I think it's done. Okay, and then all we have to do now is, let me just, I'm not liking here the size of this, so because I think I can increase this a bit. So let me try 80. How to build a custom YouTube thumbnail. Maybe 82. Maybe a bit larger. Okay, so now I'm going to repeat the process. I copy this element, I put it on top, I change the color to black, and then I just use the keyboard to move this slightly down and right, and then I go to position and I send it backward. I have to click several times because there are several elements that are on top of that, of this one. Okay, so now I think it's done. Okay, let me just maybe, okay, I think this is better. So now all I have to do is just come here to download. Oh, I have to name it here on Canvas. So custom YouTube thumbnail, and then I click download and download. And here it is. So it's done. So this is the exact thumbnail that you will see on this video. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. If you have any question regarding canva.com or the remove tool or GIMP, please leave a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the notification bell. And once again, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye. Thanks.